Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. My SQL server is running and you have admin credentials with create privilege. Once done, open your terminal or my SQL client and connect as that admin user. Make sure to choose a clear schema name that avoids reserved words and odd case sensitivity. Now run the single create schema statement. This is the only way to make a new schema. You will see an acknowledgement if successful. Note any error text for next steps. You proceed by executing create schema with desired defaults. For example, specify character set and collate to ensure consistent encoding. Once the schema exists, grant appropriate privileges to users. Make sure to target the correct host and restrict rights as needed. After granting, refresh privileges or flush privileges if required. Then verify creation using show databases or query information schema. Schemata to confirm properties. This ensures the schema you finish by creating initial tables and running migrations to validate the new schema works with your application. If create schema fails, read the error. It often indicates a duplicate name, insufficient privileges, or a syntax mistake. Once identified, reconnect as an account with proper rights, correct the name or syntax, and rerun. If a conflicting database exists, consider dropping it only after backups. This one key troubleshooting step, inspect the exact error, quickly guides your fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.